Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bhavi Modi from Vriddhi Holistic Healthcare, and today I am going to be talking on one of the most common topics, acidity or GERD as we call it. During this lockdown, I received many calls from my patients who suddenly developed acidity, and they started contacting me for treatment, and that's when I thought that it makes sense to talk about this and educating people at large about acidity and GERD to make a difference to your lives. So here we are talking all about acidity and all you wanted to know about acidity. What is acidity or what is GERD? GERD is gastroesophageal reflux disorder. Now what does this mean? This means that the acid that is in the stomach is coming up and causing burning in your esophagus, or retrosternal burning as we call it. Now why does this happen and what are the causes for it? As we all know that HCl is an important acid that is very important for digestion, and it is in our stomach. Now stomach mucous membrane is producing some kinds of chemicals that will not let that acid eat into your stomach. But now if this acid comes up, and then it is going to cause irritation in the tract wherever it comes up. And that's why you feel the sensation of burning, the sensation of heaviness. You sometimes feel that it's burning right up to your mouth. The acid comes into your mouth, giving a sour and a bitter taste in the mouth at times. Some people have even complained of apathy because the acid stays in your mouth. Some people complain of cough. That's because it enters your larynx and irritates the larynx there. Now what are the causes for this? The main cause is that the sphincter between the esophagus is something, a food pipe that we call in common terms, and stomach opens up, and that's how the acid reflux is caused, and it comes up, causing retrosternal burning and the other symptoms that we just mentioned. What are the causes for the sphincter to relax? First and foremost, there could be a hernia. Second, it could be smoking or alcohol. Third is, you have dinner very late at night like we are having nowadays. During the lockdown, there is no timing, and our routine is gone for a toss, and that would cause acidity and bloating to you. Heavy meals. So if you eat fat-laden, rich, heavy food, again, that is going to give rise to GERD. Late meals, so if you eat late at night, again, it will cause GERD. Carbonated drinks, again causes GERD. So there are quite a few causes for GERD. And the symptoms, as we mentioned, it could be retrosternal burning, it could be persistent cough, it could be apathy, it could be burning anywhere right from your stomach to your mouth. These are the common symptoms that GERD will present itself with. Some patients have presented with fullness or heaviness, more so after meals, and a few of them have presented with a little difficulty in breathing. That's because the larynx is inflamed and the acid enters probably your respiratory tract, and that's when it causes a little difficulty in breathing, or it could be just because of heaviness. So today we are going to talk of the few lifestyle changes that would help you beat this acidity or GERD as we call it. So first and foremost, yes, lifestyle changes are very, very important. Have small, frequent meals. What it does this neutralizes the acid and it will not come up again. And when you're not eating, you're not too full, again the acidity will not happen. So small, frequent meals. Avoid spicy food, avoid heavy food or oily food, or with food that has too much of fat content should be avoided. Avoid late night meals as far as possible. Alcohol and smoking needs to be avoided. So eat a balanced, healthy diet. eat at regular times, and that will help you actually keep your acidity at bay. Water is very, very important. So the more you hydrate yourself, the more water you drink, the the acidity is going to maintain itself. And last but not the least, you all know that if I'm doing a video, I am going to be talking of homeopathy, because homeopathy has some wonderful medicines for acidity, and we have been able to help our patients with homeopathy to counter their acidity and give wonderful results. So a few homeopathic remedies that help you beat acidity are Rubenia, Raphanus, Carboveg, Nux vomica are wonderful medicines to help you beat acidity. Do not self-medicate. Do consult a qualified homeopathic doctor for your acidity complaints, who can help you holistically, like how we help our patients at Vriddhi. You could contact us for online or offline treatment. Vriddhi is offering complete online treatment for you for any of your ailments, with delivery of medicines at your doorstep. So we courier the medicines to you. We schedule a phone consultation with you, understand your case history, and then courier the medicines to you. So it's as simple as just picking up a call and calling us for all your acid problems. And we are here to help you solve your acidity problems. Homeopathy on, acidity gone. That's all I would like to say. So this is Dr. Bhavi Modi from Vriddhi Holistic Healthcare signing off. Stay tuned for our next video. If you have liked our video, do like, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends and family who might benefit from this video. Thank you.